I haven't met anyone at EnergyCAP that I wouldn't want to go to lunch with.
Working with the EnergyCAP team was, it was a breath of fresh air, to be honest, just because it was so easy to understand the process and they walk you through every little step that you do. Your project managers and the team that they have that help you implement everything just make it seamless. You get to go through these hard spreadsheets and then they do the real hard work behind the scenes. They take those spreadsheets and they build you this incredible database that just has so much information broke down into so many different areas.
They're awesome, first of all. They're so knowledgeable, they make it very painless. We have done quite a few different projects from our EAM integration to we're doing bill capturing now. And Josh, a shout out, wonderful person, very nice, easygoing personality, very knowledgeable. Make it very painless.
I love working with the EnergyCAP team. I think that they are knowledgeable, they're concise when they provide answers for you, and everyone goes above and beyond. Even if it's not in their lane per se, they still work to get you the answers that you need or help you solve the problems. Everybody has been fabulous, and I love the relationship that they have with us. I love the relationship with the other EnergyCAP clients. I mean, it seems to be a great camaraderie amongst all of us EnergyCAP users.